വെൽക്കം ടു ഈസി ടു ലേൺ. ഈസി ടു ലേണിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് ഞാനിവിടെ കേരള PSC നടത്തുന്ന നെറ്റ്വർക്ക് അഡ്മിനിസ്ട്രേഷൻ എന്ന എക്സാമിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്തുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസാണ് ഞാനിവിടെ പറയുന്നത്. അതിൽ ആദ്യത്തെ മോഡ്യൂൾ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ ഓർഗനൈസേഷനെ കുറിച്ചാണ്. കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ ഓർഗനൈസേഷനിൽ വരുന്ന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വരാൻ സാധ്യതയുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസാണ് ഞാനിന്നിവിടെ പറയുന്നത്. ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വിച്ച് ഇസ് ദ ബ്രെയിൻ ഓഫ് എ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ? നമുക്കറിയാം CPU. Next question, which technology using the microprocessor is fabricated on a single chip? 4 ഓപ്ഷൻ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്: POS, ALU, MOS and ABM. The answer is MOS. MOS stands for metal oxide semiconductor. MOS stands for metal oxide semiconductor. In which form CPU provide output? Digital signal. In which form CPU provide output? Digital signals. How many type of microprocessors are there? 3. Microprocessor comprises of register section, one or more ALU and control unit. The register section is related to dash of the computer, is main memory of the computer. Register section is related to main memory of the computer. What is the stored by a register? Data. What is the stored by a register? Data. How many type of classifications of processor based on register section? How many type of classifications of processor based on a register section? 2. Microprocessor, one of the operands hold a special register called dash. In microprocessor, one of the operands holds a special register called accumulator. Accumulator based microprocessors examples are Intel 8085 and Motorola 6809. Accumulator based microprocessor examples are Intel 8085, Motorola 6809. A set of register contains data, memory address and result. A set of register contain data, memory address and result. Primary register are classified into dash type. Primarily registers are classified into dash types. 2. There are primarily 2 type of registers: general purpose register and dedicated register. There are primarily 2 types of registers: general purpose register and dedicated registers. Which register is a temporary storage location? General purpose register and dedicated registers are temporary storage location. Dedicated registers is divided into dash parts, 5 parts. Dedicated registers is divided into 5 parts. Name of typical dedicated registers is PC, SP and IR. PC stands for program counter, IR stands for index register and SP stands for stack pointer. Once again, name of typical dedicated registers are PC, SP and IR. PC is program counter, IR is index register and SP is stack pointer. The act of acquiring an instruction is referred as the dash the instruction, fetching. How many bits of instructions can a single register hold? 32 bit. A single address instruction has how many parts? A single address instruction has how many parts? 2. Single address computer instruction has 2 parts: the operation code, the operand. A single address computer instruction has 2 parts: the operation code, the operand. LA stands for load accumulator. LA stands for load accumulator. ED stands for enable MDR. ED stands for enable MDR. LM stands for load MAR. LM stands for load MAR. Causing a flag to become 0 is called clearing a flag. Causing a flag to become 0 is called clearing a flag. Which are the flags of status register? Which are the flags of status register? Overflow flag, carry flag, half carry flag, zero flag, interrupt flag, negative flag. Which are the flags of status register? Overflow flag, carry flag, half carry flag, zero flag, interrupt flag, negative flag. Dash is the condition. CD is the condition. Dash causes the address of the next microprocessor to be obtained from the memory. Dash causes the address of the next microprocessor to be obtained from the memory. Map. Map causes the address of the next microprocessor to be obtained from the memory. Dash stores the instructions currently being executed. Instruction register. Instruction register stores the instruction currently being executed. In which register instruction is decoded, prepared and ultimately executed. In which register instruction is decoded, prepared and ultimately executed. Instruction register. The status register is also called condition code register and flag register. The status register is also called condition code register and flag register. BCD stands for binary coded decimal. BCD stands for binary coded decimal, which is used to store critical pieces of data during subroutines and interrupts. Which is used to store critical pieces of data during subroutines and interrupts. Stack. The area of memory which addresses near 0 are called low memory. The area of memory which addresses near 0 are called low memory. The point where control returns after a subprogram is completed is known as. The point where control returns after a subprogram is completed is known as return address. The point where control returns after a subprogram is completed is known as return address. The subprogram finish the return instruction recovers the return address from the stack. The subprogram finish the return instruction recovers the return address from the stack. The processor uses the stack to keep track of where the items are stored on it, this by using stack pointer register. The processor uses the stack to keep track of where the items are stored on it, this by using stack pointer register. The stack pointer always pointed to the dash of the stack, top. The stack pointer always points to the top of the stack. Stack works on LIFO. Stack works on LIFO, which is the basic stack operation, push and pop. Which is the basic operation, stack operation is push and pop. SP stands for stack pointer. How many bits stored by status register? 1 bit. How many bits stored by status register? 1 bit. Which is the important part of the combinational logic block? which is the important part of a combinational logic block, barrel shifter. The structure of the stack is dash type, first in, last out. The structure of the stack is dash type structure, first in, last out. The data in the stack is called pushing data. The data in the stack is called pushing data. The CU is designed by using which techniques? The CU is designed by using which techniques? Hand-wired controls, microprogramming and nano-programming. Hand-wired controls, microprogramming and nano-programming.